Welcome back. Today we have a new video. In this video we talk, it's like a continue of a course or series that we try to answer interview questions that are related to JavaScript that you may face in your interview. If this sounds interesting for you, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will never miss a video. And yeah, let's start. So the question say, what is first order function? So a first order function typically refers to a function that does not accept other functions as an argument and does not return a function as its result. In other words, it's the basic or the plain function that operates on data directly without involving any higher order functions. So there are two things that we can think about. First, doesn't accept functions as an argument, and the second, we doesn't return functions. So let's just try to create one like that. So function called add, it will have x and y. Let's say these are strings, and I will return x plus y. And if I got result, like const result, it will equal like x and y. Yeah, put 3 and console log x equals y. I guess it will be 5. Yeah, it will be 5. So that's it. It was a pretty quick video, but because the higher order function is not something like quite tough to talk about. But yeah, that's it for today's video, and I hope you like my description. If you like my content, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll never miss a video, and see you guys in future problems.